Good friends, let me explain the topics minimal tillage practices and nanoparticles and their applications. Chapter 11 and 12 of Unit 2 respectively. First we discuss minimal tillage practices. What do you mean by tillage? Mechanical manipulation of soil structure is called tillage. In conventional tillage, energy is often wasted and sometimes soil structure is destroyed. To overcome these problems, several new concepts are introduced, and they are minimal tillage, zero tillage, stubble mulch tillage. And now discuss the types of tillage. There are main three types of tillages like on-season tillage, off-season tillage and modern tillage. Primary tillage and secondary tillage comes under on-season tillage and they are conventional tillage. Zero tillage and minimal tillage or modern tillage operations, they comes under the conservation tillage. And how the minimal tillage are being carried out? It reduces the tillage operations to minimum to ensure good seed bed for rapid germination and satisfactory crop stand, omitting few operations that do not give much benefit, soil disturbance to a lesser extent. Here, combining two or more agricultural operations, the best example is seed cum fertilizer drill. A diagrammatic explanation of reducing tillage operations. In the case of conventional tillage, we have 5 operations like ploughing, disking, cultivating, planting and then cultivating. In the conservation tillage, the tillage operations are reduced to the minimal, and here the cultivating, planting and cultivating are being carried out. In the case of no till, planting and spraying operations are carried out. The main advantages of minimal tillage are there is a in situ decomposition of plant residues to improve soil conditions, to improve high infiltration, less resistance to root growth, less soil compaction and less soil erosion. The disadvantages are low germination of seeds and application of more nitrogen as the rate of decomposition of organic matter is low. The nitrogen plays an important role in providing food to the microorganisms. If the nitrogen content of the soil is very low, the multiplication of microorganisms is also low. So we have to apply nitrogen exogenously in order to provide food for microorganism. Then only we can get proper decomposition of organic matter. It reduces the nodulation of legume crops. Continuous use of herbicides also causes pollution and in the difficulty in sowing. And different methods of minimal tillage are explained here. They are row zone tillage, plough plant tillage and wheel track planting. Row zone tillage, what it means? After primary tillage with mold board plough, secondary tillage like disking and harrowing are reduced. The secondary tillage is done in row zone only. Plough plant tillage, after ploughing, special planter is used to pulverize row zone and sow the seeds. In the case of wheel track planting, tractor is used for two purposes like the sowing, and the wheels are used to pulverize the row zone. Again, the diagrammatic representation of zero or no tillage. Here, the primary tillage is completely avoided. Secondary tillage is restricted to prepare seed beds in row zone only. In this no tillage, 4 tasks are operated in one operation, and they are clean a narrow strip over crop row, open soil for seed sowing, place the seed in crop row, cover the seed properly. Here in zero tillage, herbicides like glyphosate and paraquat are used in larger extent to destroy vegetation. The major advantage of no tillage is to reduce the soil erosion, and it keeps 50 to 75% of residue on the soil surface. Stubble mulch tillage. Here the leaving stubble or crop residues as such in the land as a surface cover during a fallow period. This prevents soil erosion due to wind as well as water. It conserves soil moisture and reduces carbon dioxide emission. Good friends, the next chapter is 12 nanoparticles and their applications. What do you mean by nanotechnology? Nano is the Greek word that means dwarf. The father of nanotechnology is Richard Feynman. Norio Taniguchi has coined the term nanotechnology. Nano means 1 billionth of meter. It is a science and technology of tiny things. Less than 100 nanometer in size, 1 nanometer is equivalent to 1 billionth of meter or 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Nanotechnology combines solid state physics, chemistry, chemical engineering, biochemistry, biophysics, and material science. The best examples of nanoparticles are a sheet of paper is about 1 lakh nanometer thick. A strand of human DNA is about 2.5 nanometer in diameter. The different characteristics of nanoparticle, the size ranges from 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. The shapes are sphere, rod, cube, plate, and star. The nanoparticles are available in different components like the solid lipid hybrid particle, hydrogel particle, metal particle, polymer particle, liposome, protein drug conjugate, dendrimer, and carbon nanotube. The surface characteristics are pegylation or other coatings. PEG means polyethylene glycol. Surface functional groups are the thiol group, amine group, and acetic acid groups. The surface charge either minus or plus. The targeting ligand are antibody, peptide, and aptamer. If you look at the properties in detail, it is higher charge density and higher reactivity. Activity of atoms on surface of particle becomes more. It is having more strength, heat resistance, decreased melting point, and different magnetic property. It has higher catalytic ability when structure is tetrahedral followed by cubic and spherical in structure. The nanoparticle increase in area, antibacterial properties, hardness, electron band gap, electric properties, and magnetic properties. And if you take the synthesis of nanoparticles, there are about 4 different methods: physical, chemical, biological, and hybrids. In physical, there are 2 methods: mechanical and vapor methods. High energy ball milling and melt mixing are mechanical methods. Physical vapor deposition, laser ablation, sputter deposition, electric or chemical methods. The chemical methods are colloids, sol gel, and LB films. The biological methods are using biomembrane, DNA, enzymes, and microorganisms. In the case of hybrid, the electrochemical, chemical vapor, particle arresting in glass or zeolites and polymers. The nanotechnology applications in agriculture includes soil improvement, The zeolites and nanoclays for agrochemical water retention and their slow release in soil. For crop production, nanoparticles for enhancing nutrient absorption by plants, nanofungicides, nanoherbicides, nanopesticides. Nanocapsules, nanoparticles, and nanoemulsions are also used in crop production. In the case of precision farming, nanosensors are used for plant pathogen and also pesticide detection. The nanosensors for monitoring soil conditions. In the case of crop improvement, nanomaterial assisted plant genetic modifications increase the hybrid. And if you talk about the different application in detail, the crop improvement nanobiotechnology plays an important role in evolving a hybrid variety, that is genetic manipulation, and nano carriers are incorporated in the genetic material, that is DNA. It modifies the DNA content of a cell that yields transgenic plant. The nanopesticides are highly used in crop protection. And in the precision farming, nanosensors are used to detect the soil health as well as plant health. For stress tolerance, the nanoparticles are extensively used for salinity, drought, and UVB stress resistant varieties. If you apply the nanomaterials to the degraded soil, it increases the healthy condition of the soil. It also applied in seed science and technology, and nano fertilizers are applied to the seed, which increases or enhances the germination as well as the plant growth. Ultimately, the crop yield is higher. Nanopesticides are available in different forms like nanofungicides, nanoinsecticides, and nanoherbicides. Nanoparticles are used as protectants and also as carriers in pest control issues. If you talk about the applications in detail, the nanoscale carriers are used for carrying pesticide and other applications like polymeric nanoparticles and dendromeres. Nanopesticides like the silver nanoparticles and silica nanoparticles are available for protection of plant. Nano formulations like surfactants, metal nanoparticles, and polymers are also available, and the herbicides, phenchlorim coated CNTS means that is carbon nanotubes. Regarding the improvement of soil health, zinc nanofertilizers, that is zinc oxide nanoparticles, potash fertilizers like polyacrylamide nanoparticles, and nanoporous zeolite, and nitrogen fertilizers like chitosan nanoparticles, kaolin nanoparticles, hydroxyapatite nanoparticles, iron chelated particles. And now the question and answer. What do you mean by nanometer? Nanometer is 1 billionth of meter. That is the correct answer. Nanoparticles has higher reactivity due to high surface area is the correct answer. Minimal tillage causes the less soil compaction, correct answer. Minimal tillage can be practiced by row zone tillage. This is the correct answer. Well friends, the presentation is completed. For PDF and online test, contact me at my mobile and mail. Kindly subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.